Alright guys, we're headed to the gym. Get in the video. There you go. Okay. Oh, my bottle of water. Do that.
Seriously?
Alright. You hit record? What were you doing? To the gym, everyone. How's your Saturday going? The only reason why I'm going to the gym is because Zeke is going to the gym and we have an ice bath. Get in the ice bath after working out. You're blocking your face with that thing.
So smart.
Oh wow. You don't want to be on the video. Next stop is the gym. Won't bore you with any driving over video. See you at the gym.
Bye.
Alrighty guys, we are here. Oh, my cover was not closed good. And I am crooked, I guess. Am I crooked? My parking's pretty crooked, guys. That's not a good thing. So we're at the gym. 24-hour fitness. Oh, it's been a while, so we're gonna get in there and work out before we go home and take a nice bath. Alright guys, look who I found over here. I found this guy right here. This guy working out over here. Ah, we got the guns over here, the guns. Are right here. Mommy over there. Zeke over there. You can't escape it. You can't escape it. This guy. This lady. I won't get anything. Alright. I think it's maybe my last exercise for the day. I'm gonna go home, set up the ice bath, and jump on in. Except for 24 Fitness. See you guys at home. What is up, everybody? So we're back at the house right now. So we're about to unpack this ice bath we bought from Costco. Check it out. This is the Solo Spa ice bath. I don't know if I'm looking that relaxed in there, but we're gonna set this thing up and then we're gonna jump on in, and I'm gonna document my very first ice bath. Alright, so we unpacked it. I'm gonna move it to kind of the final destination spot over here. It'll be like where my workout stuff used to be. So here it is. When we come back, it'll be all set up and should be filling with water. So see you back in a few. Hi there. All right, so we got the thing blown up. As you can see, it's blown up. Fill it up to the max min size over there, min max. And I gotta go take a shower, get clean. Before I jump into this ice bath. Costco special. So I haven't done an ice bath before, so we're gonna ease into this. They give us a thermometer to hang in the water. So we got this thermometer right here. We just hang in the water. I'm gonna take a shower, come back down, and hopefully this thing is full and ready for me to jump on in. All right, by the power of video, I rinsed off, changed into my safe for TV, safe for video outfit. You know what I mean? I wanna go in showing too much skin, you know what I'm saying? The idea is you want to do a total of 11 minutes for the whole week, broken up between 2 to 4 sessions, between 1 to 5 minutes each session. So that's what kind of is a recommended, I guess, cadence for this. The ideal is, you know, to get it to mid 60s for kind of the first I read some places where people get it down to like 50, and that's a goal, right? So right now we're gonna just try to do 65-ish. Put a bunch of ice in there from our freezer. Throw some ice in there. See how cold it gets, and then we're gonna sit in there for as long as we can, make it worth it, and then we'll see how we do it for the week. Minimum. Almost there. We'll be back. We'll grab some ice, and we'll go throw some ice in there and see how it goes. All right, guys. I'm not sure if this is even it's even enough ice, but either way, we're gonna pour all this ice. It's not even that much ice. It's like, oh, that's so embarrassing. Look at that. Look at the baby ice cubes. Look how little bit ice. It's not even much ice in that thing. Oh my gosh, we should have bought ice from 7-Eleven. We didn't prepare very well. Okay, we're gonna just use that bag of ice.
These are baby ices.
Oh my gosh, this baby one. All right, went into the freezer. Grab another small little container of ice.
It's
And here goes.
Like 75.
Oh, we gotta go buy
You
ice.
gotta go buy ice, and you gotta buy an extra one for the house.
We gotta go buy
Put
some
these
ice.
back in the house.
Okay, we gotta go buy some ice. All right, we got the ice. We got the ice. All right, hopefully this is enough ice. Next time we know. First timers for this ice bath. If it belongs to pick up 40 pounds of ice. Bag number 2.
Holy cold.
You're in trouble then.
It's so cold. You only have to stay for how much?
1 minute at minimum.
We don't need that other bag. There's no way.
It's too cold. I don't think I can sit.
Why you buy so much ice?
I don't think I
It's
had the
1
power.
minute. Ready? When you sit, I'm starting the clock.
I had to sit.
Yep. You gotta get in there.
2, 3, go. Oh my god! The problem is not these staying in. The problem is getting in.
Well, you just gotta do it.
It's a very sturdy pool.
It is. And do it.
Ready,
Set.
ready, set, go. Oh my gosh! I don't think I can go in front of that.
It's 1 minute.
I need my.
It's 1 minute.
And then you started.
It is already 50 seconds.
Okay, it's actually not that much, minute.
All right, she did it. She's in the ice bath. Okay, so that's our very first ice bath using this Arctic Ice Salu Spa. I just put more ice in there because, again, I don't think we're gonna get it to the mid 60s like how we wanted it. We realized that it's takes more ice, maybe less water and more ice. So I'm gonna give Corey the camera. It's gonna be cold. I feel it already. It's not as cold as it should be. Okay, set the timer. I'm gonna go. Oh, it is kind of cold. It's not as cold as it could have been, but it's cold enough. What makes it, I think, it not as cold is because I have this shirt on.
Cheater.
I have to be safe for. I
Cheater.
have to be safe for Instagram. I don't want to show too much skin. Okay, you can turn the camera off. I'm gonna take my shirt off because I want to get the full expression. You can turn off the camera. Press the button.
But the camera also wants the full
It's press and
expression.
turn on
Okay, I'll press
the button.
it. Boop.
All right, we done the semi-ice bath. I wouldn't say it was sub 70. It was like 68 at this coldest. But we're gonna get to at least 60 degrees, maybe even the 50s. So we're gonna get there slowly but surely. We're gonna ease ourselves into it. So we'll try it again. All right, have a good day. Aloha.